Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's got everyone buzzing. Is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra the iPhone 16 killer? Stick around to find out Samsung's secret weapon that might just dethrone Apple. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech news and review. Now, let's get right in. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is packed with groundbreaking features that could give the iPhone 16 a run for its money. From a stunning new display to a powerful chipset, Samsung has pulled out all the stop. But what really sets it apart? Let's find out. We've all had those moments where our phone just doesn't cut it, whether it's lagging performance or a subpar camera. Samsung listened to these frustrations and made some major improvements in the S25 Ultra. So, what's the secret weapon? It's the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This powerhouse not only boosts performance, but also enhanced battery life and camera capability. Imagine playing the latest games or editing videos without a hitch. That's what the S25 Ultra promised. Tech experts are already raving about the S25 Ultra. Ice Universe, a well-known leaker, called it the thinnest and lightest flagship phone yet. And that's not all. The new design is more ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold for long. Now, let's compare it to the iPhone 6. While Apple's latest offering is impressive, the S25 Ultra's larger, brighter display and superior chipset might just give it the edge. Plus, Samsung's decision to ditch the Exynos chip for all models ensures consistent performance worldwide. Could this be the end of the iPhone's dominance? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a serious contender in the flagship phone market. What do you think? Is the S25 Ultra the iPhone 16 killer? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates.